Hi, my name is Alexis, CEO of AgriSolar Consulting, and I work on a team with Sandbox Solar, a solar installation company based in Fort Collins, Colorado. Based on our diverse industry experience working at many scales, we understand that a key hindrance to the sustained deployment of solar is competition for optimal land between energy and agriculture sectors. Agrivoltaics provide a pathway for reducing siting conflict and expanding solar access in rural communities. Because there's no comprehensive modeling tool that enables collaborative planning and system design for agrivoltaic projects, we have developed one for developers and other key stakeholders in rural communities to integrate solar into agricultural landscapes effectively. Estimates from the Solar Futures Study indicate that 10 million acres of land will be developed for solar by 2050. And this growing ecological footprint is encroaching on rural lands and is increasingly challenged by local opposition. The agrivoltaic solution, which maximizes land use, creates rural economic opportunity, and builds long-term local capacity to solve issues at the food, energy, water nexus, provides distinct social, economic, and environmental advantages over conventional solar development practices. The biggest barrier for agrivoltaics to achieve rapid deployment is the challenge of optimizing the 3 C's: crop type, system configuration, and climate. Uncertainties in optimization, unknowns about agronomic feasibility, and lack of precedence are the main pain points impeding stakeholders' ability to advance dual-use solar development. There is a clearly defined need in the growing agrivoltaic industry: to know before you grow. Without the confidence a modeling tool provides, there will be foregone energy investment opportunities for agricultural communities and a compromised rate of solar deployment in the U.S. We conducted industry interviews, and responses indicated that current solutions, such as the Massachusetts dual-use shading analysis tool and other basic PV design tools, are inadequate for delivering the necessary information relevant to the agrivoltaic context.
Our solution is unrivaled and in demand. Our solution has been tailored to overcome the identified limitations of other software tools by directly accounting for the 3 C's to address the current barriers to entry in the agrivoltaic development realm. The interface simulates various unique scenarios using parametric modeling, climate data, and AI to output critical irradiance-based information that can be downloaded and used for sales, marketing, research, and continued development. The web app interface allows the user to select a panel configuration or array type, a module transparency, and a location or climate region. The user can explore the agricultural scenes and change other settings as needed. Once a plausible solution is found, there are options to export the panel output and ground conditions to a CSV file. This option enables granular site analysis and validation from real-world agrivoltaic sites.
Based on an anticipated industry growth of 10 gigawatts installed by 2030, we estimate that the total addressable market is $10 billion based on CapEx. Approximately 30% of those projects developed will require consulting, design, and permitting. Thus, our serviceable addressable market is $3 billion. There are several public and rural research institutions that have indicated a strong need for a proposed solution. As a result, we estimate our serviceable obtainable market to be $30 million. Our interview responses confirm that our tool can be expanded to other customer profiles like developers and rural landowners who need our tool in order to understand the profitable impacts of agrivoltaic projects, thus opening it to $300 million. Based on this market size, we have created a pro forma, which shows that we have immediate bootstrap plans to become a profitable and sustainable business through expert consulting for project development and sales of advanced software subscriptions. We are actively targeting diverse audiences and engaging underrepresented groups, specifically farmers, to enhance our product's market fit. Our internal diversity reflects the markets we aim to service, which allows us to access a larger customer base and ensures long-term sustainability of our business model. In the set phase of this competition, we have been able to accomplish many tasks, including customer discovery with over 22 organizations, business model development, network activation, MVP software development, and creation of IoT database with real-time data visualizations. Our diverse team is comprised of experienced individuals in agrivoltaics, solar project development, and software development. Our biggest risks moving forward include model validation, a customer pricing model, and academic competition. In the next phase, we will ensure model validation by hiring identified partner West and continuing industry customer reviews. We will consult with the AMC network partners such as LARTA Institute to assist with business model refinement. We have addressed potential competition academics. However, we will pursue partnership development with academic institutions to build a robust modeling tool that can improve their niche research. We will refine our software to act as a support tool for scaling these niche studies conducted in academia. We have identified our challenges ahead, but are prepared to overcome them so that we can successfully deliver the needed agrivoltaic support tool. The SEP phase of this competition has validated that our software is a viable clean tech innovation that will generate over 10 gigawatts of deployed solar, thus supporting a $10 billion industry and supporting more than 500 diverse clean energy jobs for underserved communities in the US. We are excited to pursue the GenAI component of the competition because our software has been deployed to stimulate economic opportunity for rural agricultural communities, diversify solar industry jobs, sustainably maximize land use, and reduce barriers to the deployment of solar in the US. By equipping stakeholders with the needed innovation, a tool to know before you grow, Sandbox's software is certain to contribute to the continued prosperity of the US solar industry. Thank you for your consideration.